Mom, when Dad comes from Bengaluru, when your father's office work is over, then he will return. When will that end? Take my mobile is on the table and ask your father. Mom, take it first you talk. You talk, or turn on the loudspeaker.
Yes, Srimati?
Appaji, I am Srija.
Tell Srija.
Appaji, where are you? You went to duty for 7 days. I have much to say those 7 days to you. When are you returning?
Wait, Srija. I have been completed all work of our office in Bangalore. I am on the way and will be there in a hour.
Oh, you called us last night and did not say that you would come today. If you told me, I would ask you to bring a toy from Bengaluru. But why you didn't tell that matter to me?
Srija. Government suddenly ordered to burn from tomorrow to 1 week. If I stay here, I would not get any work of my office on tomorrow. So I decided to come back from Bangalore immediately. Please don't get angry with me. That day I came to Bangalore, bought toys for you.
Okay, Appaji. Come soon. We are waiting for you. Mom, Appaji on the way. Okay. I will put hot water for bath to your father. Both you play here.
ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಬಂತು ಬಾ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಬಂತು ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಬಂತು ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಬಂತು
Appaji, Farhaz.
Shrija, keep distance with me. I remove my clothes and will take bath. Then you will talk with me. Now you are also become dirty by me. Let's go. You also remove your clothes and take bath. Come on, come on. Gunda, are you sister angry? Oh, Shrija, are you angry with me? You don't feel bad for my loudly spoke. See here, I bought toys for you from Bangalore. Sorry, Shrija, for my rude behavior, but when we return to home from outside or journey from out of station, we want to sit or stand in office, bus, rail, auto, and car, and also touch lot of object. So it is very essential to put our cloth for wash and clean our body from bath, and it is very safety to our health. Nowadays new disease COVID-19 from coronavirus also spreading very dangerously. So more cleanness is better to avoid it.
Oh, Appaji. We human put big animals like lion, tiger, bear and elephant in the cage and growing them. Such as why are we afraid to coronavirus like tennis ball? In our school also avoid spreading coronavirus, give summer holidays and also without exam. We all are passed. I want to tell you this matter. I had come when you came to home. Sorry, Appaji.
What? Tennis ball?
Yes, Appaji. In our school hanged lot of poster of coronavirus. In that poster, its shape is looks like round tennis ball and also covered with needles. And when we see that virus, we can walk away from it or escape from it. But I don't know why you are all scared about it.
Okay, Shrija, then you know how coronavirus came into human?
Yes, Appaji. Yesterday, me and my friend Preeti were playing here. Then Preeti told that tennis ball like coronavirus was eaten by the bat, and that bat was eaten by snake, and the snake was eaten by the human. Appaji, that's the reason coronavirus or COVID-19 disease come to the human.
Shrija, it is not so. Corona is a species of virus.
Okay, Appaji. What is a virus?
Shrija, now you are in third standard. Virus topic is in microorganism chapter. This chapter most probably comes in 8th standard syllabus. When you will go to 8th standard, you will get all information about it.
Oh, Apache, I told already to you, I am not now third standard. In our school, without exam, promote all to higher class. Now I am fourth standard. Then we have to wait another 4 years to learn about the virus and microorganism.
Okay, sorry. Now you are 4th standard and you don't have to wait 4 years to learn about virus and microbes because when we need or inevitable any topic, then we learn or know it, then it will be lifelong in our mind. Shrija, go and bring my laptop under my cot. In that I have made PPT about microorganism or microbes. I will show you.
Apache, take it.
Shrija, watch this. This PPT was prepared by me of microorganism, which living being can't see with our naked eyes. We call it microorganism or microbes. We are only able to see and study them with the microscope or electronic microscope. These microorganisms live everywhere on our earth. Means it live in water, air and soil. And they also live in cold, hot and temperature climate also. These microorganisms are classified into 5 main types according to their body structure and characteristics. Let's see the 5 types of microbes or microorganism. First one is bacteria, second one protozoa, third one fungi, fourth one algae, and fifth one is virus. Here is the explanation of microbes or microorganism types. First one, bacteria. Have say about it. It is a unicellular organ and its size range from 0.2 to 1.0 micron. These are found in 4 type shapes. That shapes are foci. Foci shape means it look like round shape. Bacillus means look like rod shape. Sperlium means look like curly shape. And Vibrio shape means conical shape. This organ cells is covered with 3 shells. Its inside have nucleic acid, but it is not in proper shape. It moves through fungulum. These are future of it. Now see the advantage of bacteria. Milk convert to curd by this bacteria. It used in tea and leather productions. It decomposes the elements of dead bodies and remnant of living things. It increases soil fertility through nitrogen fixation in plant. Now see the disadvantage of bacteria. Bacteria causes to many kind of diseases. First one, pneumonia, tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, tetanus, gonorrhea. Microbe second type is protozoa. Have say about it. It is a unicellular organ and its size range from 2 to 200 micron. It is not in proper shape, means its body structure is not in proper. These usually have their habitat in water and soil. Example for protozoa, amoeba, euglena and paramecium. These are the future of protozoa. Now see the disadvantage of protozoa. Protozoa cause to many kind of diseases. Malaria, amoebic means dysentery, sleep diseases. Microbes third type is fungi or fungus. Have say about it. Fungi is a unicellular organs. It is a plant, but it has no leaves, roots. These are spread from air and grow on objects. And these are also a parasitic organism. Example for fungi. First one is yeast, boost and mushrooms. These are the characteristics of fungi. Now see the advantage of fungi. It used in bakery and hotel for making bread, cake, dosa and idli. It also used in beer and wine making, and mushroom are used in many type food preparation. Microbes 4 type is algae. Have say about it. These are water creatures.